Welcome back to my session on health. This is the third video I'm releasing to share my knowledge about health. My knowledge. So why I acquired all this knowledge is I have also suffered a lot of mental problems. Okay, of course I have not suffered any physical problems from my God's grace. Okay, I will tell you why I have not suffered physical problems because my father was very healthy and he died at the age of 93, and I am inherited his body and his cell structure, so that inheritation will be there. So therefore, I'm lucky to have the kind of body what I am having, the kind of health I may be having. Of course, there may be some problems inside, but at least I have not, they have not shown any symbols till now. There are like any pain or anything. But as far as mental problems is concerned, I have suffered, and those mental problems has manifested in bodily symptoms also. And then I contacted psychiatrist. As I said earlier, I took required medicine. Then I wanted to avoid the medicine, so I learned a lot of things about psychology, about health, about mind power, NLP, emotional integration, happiness, how to be happy. So all these things, why I learned is, so because okay, earlier also I wanted to become a motivational coach for motivational trainer for students. That is for their employability. That is for their employability to what you call it as a develop leadership qualities, develop communication skills. So all these things I always wanted to be a trainer for my students' sake. But when all these things happened, I had no other way to get all this knowledge, and I implemented practically in myself, and I have got I have got a lot of good results. Now I am healthier also, and I am happier also. Of course, I had my own financial problems, but nevertheless, I am very healthy. So now that's the reason I took this as my main subject for training. So why I'm sharing all this knowledge through these videos is, now my great aim, my total intention is to train people, train students, train any person to overcome anxiety, overcome phobia, overcome depression in the earlier part. So if it exceeds certain limit, they have to contact the psychiatrist. We only recommend it to psychiatrist. So I wanted to make them emotionally strong. I wanted to, so if you become emotionally strong, you will become bodily strong also. So I wanted to help lead them healthy life. That was my intention to of becoming a trainer, and it has given me a life purpose also. So very important to have a life purpose, and this is my life purpose. Of course, monetary gains are also there. So that's why I am planning to conduct the trainings in NLP. So I am actually combining all these things: NLP, life coaching, health coaching, and emotional intelligence coaching, happiness coaching. Always I'm combining. First time it will be happening. First time it is happening. Combining to create a training of 2 months, which can be called as magic of change. Change your total personality, change your total mindset from bad to good, or good to better, or better to best, something like that. So that is my future intention, and very soon I will be coming with that. So that's why the thing, that particular thinking itself gives me energy, because I am passionate about teaching. So this particular thinking, about my life's purpose, I have to do training, I have to help people. So of course I have to earn some money also along with that. So that itself gives me energy. That thought itself gives me energy. So like this, you need to have some positive thoughts like this. So help other people in any way and get good health. Help other peoples and get good health. Value add to other people and get good health. So these are all interconnected matters. So that's why this is called as holistic thinking of the health. Holistic. So it includes everything. It includes everything. Okay. Now continuing with that, I am coming to concluding part of this particular video. Okay, what I'm now telling or suggesting is very difficult to do, but if you have willpower to do that, you will definitely live longer, and you may be having any ailment, any life-threatening disease also. You can reverse it. You can reverse it. Even the kind of disease like cancer, diabetes, tumors, everything you can reverse it. I can give you 100% assurity, because knowledge what I have gained, this is from, okay, I don't remember his name. So one is Mr. Dr. Deepak Chopra, you might have heard about him. And what is his name? Okay, I'll tell his name. His lot of YouTube videos are available. So actually, I will tell. Okay, I am not remembering his name. Okay, let it be. So he had a hole in his heart. Doctor said that you may not be live longer, you may not you will not be able to exercise, something like that. But he took it as a challenge. But because his guru has given him some knowledge, the knowledge like what I am sharing, so he didn't bother about doctor advice. He started exercising by making his mind stronger and stronger, and tried to push harder and harder and harder. So now he has become the world record holder for the fastest and more number of push-ups, 1,000 push-ups in a minute, something like that. 100 push-ups in a minute. I don't exactly remember. I will tell you his name also in my next video. So you can go through his books. So health without pills, something like that. There are a lot of books. So what he suggests is a diet full of fruits and vegetables. Diets foods and vegetables. So according to him, so this is not my knowledge. So that is the disclaimer. According to him, the roti and the chapati, these are all the normal food in our country. That means wheat and jowar. These are only the fillers. Okay, of course, they are also having some nutrients, but compared to these what you call vegetables and fruits, so they are negligible. So therefore, you can have a diet only by the intake of the vegetables and fruits. And vegetables too, best is raw vegetables. Best is raw vegetables, or at least baked, that is steamed vegetables. Because the vegetables what we are using in our bhajis and all, palyas and all, they have lost 80% of their nutrients. Only, okay, they are only taste givers. They add taste to our food, that's all. We like some kind of vegetables, we dislike some kind of vegetables. So whatever we like, they give the taste, that's all. So only 20% nutrients they are. That's why our lifestyle is getting affected. Another very dangerous thing is nowadays vegetables are grown by using fertilizers, and there is a lot of other things also happening, because of which vegetables are also lost their, not only lost their nutrients, they are lost, they become poisonous also, some of the vegetables. We cannot believe today's vegetables and fruits. They may be good or they may be bad also. I am talking about the fruits and vegetables you grow with the help of organic farming. There are a lot of organic farmings out there, and you can even grow in your own backyard or front yard or even on a terrace the vegetables and fruits required for you for daily consumption. See, that kind of diet will help you to overcome any of the diseases. It will reverse the it can be at least in the second stage. If your life-threatening diseases, if it is in the second stage also, it can. Third stage, okay, it may not be that final stage. If it is in a final stage, you may not get that kind of help. But if it is in a second stage, definitely that can be reversed. Anything, diabetes, heart troubles, lungs trouble, kidney trouble, whatever it may be, they can be totally reversed by adopting a fruit diet as well as the vegetable diet. Raw vegetable diet, as far as possible, raw vegetable diet. Which vegetable you cannot take in a raw form, then you can just steam bake it, so that the nutrition will be intact inside. So follow this. You have to follow this. And you can use more fruits. So at least 4 to 5 servings of fruits he recommends. Not in the form of juice again, because fruits contains fibers. Food contains something called as fibers, which is very essential for your digestion, to your and your excretion of the waste. So fiber is required by our body. Fiber is helpful for our body. So vegetable fibers as well as fruit fibers. A lot of fruits have a lot of fibers. So you have to eat fruits only. Okay. Frequently you can use fruit juices also, no problem at all. But eating the raw fruits which has grown organically, which is uncontaminated. So if you follow this diet, then your body will be completely free from any diseases. This is my assurance, because there are many practical scientific proof available for it. Chinese has their own diet. Chinese people live longer because of their own diet. So of course we cannot. Thai people live longer because of their own diet. So it is very difficult to follow those diet. So my dear friends, so to maintain your health, first thing is you need to have a purpose to live longer. Purpose to live longer. You need to have positive emotions, always positive emotions in mind. And then you need to feed this body, every cell of the body, with nutrients extracted from fruits and vegetables, preferably raw fruits and raw vegetables, which are uncontaminated. Then lot of oxygen in the terms of exercises, in the terms of walking, and in the form of meditation also. Meditation also nothing but it is a conscious breathing. It is the conscious breathing, as well as meditation may be mindful meditation or mind empty meditation. So all these things you can adopt in your life, and you have to make it a daily habit, a daily routine, so that you can live longer and healthier life. So with this, I think I have shared sufficient information for you about health. So there are 3 videos. So health 1, health 2, health 2, health 3, which I am going to upload to YouTube. So if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel. So a lot of such videos will be coming every day. I am planning to share my knowledge as well as my wisdom. So so share it to your friends also, so that they can also be benefited. So thank you for listening. Thank you for watching this video. So goodbye.